morning. I just wanted to do a quick mini lessons on questioning. When we read a story, we always have some questions on the back in the back of our mind. We're going to think about two types of questions. Simple questions are questions that you can answer with a yes or no, and you can look at the pictures and you can get that answer really quick. That's not what we're really talking about when we question. We're really talking about strong questions. And these are questions that you have to think about. They usually start with why and how, and they're usually answered in a sentence. And you've got to look in the text to find your answer, and you may even do some inferencing. So here we have a story, The Picnic. And what we do is we would read this over, and as we read it, we're going to listen to that little voice in the back of our head about the questions that we have about the story. A lot of times we think about the characters, we think about what is going on, the setting, we think about what is the problem in our story. And as you create these questions, what we're going to do in third grade is we're going to be looking at these questions and how we can answer these questions through reading more of the text. So I think of who is in the story. I think, what are they doing? How does the main character act? Okay, and these questions can be answered by going back to the text and reading a little further, or they can be rereading what you've already read. They need to make sense and they need to be relevant to the story, the questions. So in The Picnic, I can't say, well, what is a picnic? I already know what a picnic is, and I know that this family is on a picnic. So you want to think about, as you read this, why were the ants in the basket? How do you think they're going to solve the problem of the ants being in the basket? And that's what we're going to do all throughout third grade, is we're going to be questioning as we read. And that is going to be our lesson for today and this week. What you can do is you can come back to this lesson if you have any questions, and we will continue working on Charlie McButton. Thank you.